Welcome back today. It's a G Beto G. I'm back again today with a trap beat called How to Make a Russian Trap Beat. So make sure you watch out as I'm going to produce this Russian trap beat. Right now, I am in my desktop. Today, I'm going to fully launch the FL Studio from the start to the finish. Making videos every day on my YouTube channel. I have not been launching the FL Studio properly, but today I'm going to launch the FL Studio properly from the start to the finish. How to make a Russian trap beat. Anywhere you're watching from, either you're watching on your Android, your smartphone, or on your computer, make sure you smash the subscribe button to help yourself, so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. The most important thing, make sure you turn on your notification bell below, so anytime I drop new videos, you will be quickly notified. So this is how I'm going to launch my FL Studio. This is my FL Studio on my screen. Making videos, it has been a long time. I have not been launching my FL Studio properly, but making this Russian trap beat today, I'm going to launch it. So this is my FL Studio app on my screen here. I'm going to right click. As you can see, this is open, so I'm just going to press on the open and wait a little bit. You will see it launching. Now it's loading. As you can see, this apple on my screen shows the FL Studio is launching. Now as you can see, it has opened. This is my FL Studio now. It has opened. Making my Russian trap beat. I'm going to go to art and click on art. Now I'm going to pick today a plugin called, I'm going to be using this plugin called Ogun. This is it. The plugin is called Ogun for my Russian trap beat. Now I'm going to click on my channel rack. Left click, hold the mouse wheels, turn the mouse wheel. I'm going to left click, hold it. I'm going to left click, then hold the left click button, turn the mouse wheels up to channel 5, and this is my mixer, and this is channel 5. I've already routed channel 5. I'm going to right click and open piano roll. Now I'm going to test. As you can see, it's not sounding good. I'm going to click on the Ogun plugin and click on preset. I'm going to choose the right preset for my Russian trap beat. Now I'm going to go right inside my plugin, click on piano roll. I'm going to click on my piano roll. Now I'm going to use one of my Russian trap beat. I'm going to be using a tool plugin for my Russian trap beat. Now I'll start programming my notes, writing my notes. This is it. Now this is how I'm doing my notes for my Russian trap beat. Now I'm making my Russian trap beat now. I've created a 2 bars pattern. I'm going to left click, hold the left click button and drag it to the left. Then I'm going to copy the pattern to bars number 8. Then rearrange it, spice the melodies. Now, as you can see, this is my Russian trap beat. I'm programming from a fresh. Now I'm going to program the bass melodies. First of all, I'm going to add a sound organizer. Now I'm arranging my Russian trap beat like this. Now I'm going to add the fruity reverb too. Now I'm going to create my bass melody with a bow bass plug in. Now I'm going to left click, hold the mouse wheels. I'm going to left click and hold the left click button. And then turn the mouse wheels right up to channel 6. And this is here. My mixer is channel 6. I'm going to program my bass melodies here. I'm going to right click and open my piano roll. This is how my bass melody is going to look like. Now I'm going to program my hi-hats. Now I'm trying to pick the right pattern that sounds good. Then I've seen the right pattern that sounds very good. Then I'm going to pick it right now. As you can see, the drums are sounding very good. My Roshan trap beats. Then I'm going to switch it right up and add a sound organizer. I'm going to right click up in the piano roll. I'm going to right click and up in the piano roll. Then Control A and switch the note right up. As you can see, it's sounding very good. Then I'm going to program my snare. Then I'm going to program my snare like this. Then I'm going to program my kick. I'm going to bring in my kick. Then I'm going to right click and open the piano roll. This is my Roshan trap beats. I'm programming the kick now. This is my Roshan trap beat kick that I'm programming now. Then the most important thing, I'm going to click on the kick, and here is my boss knob, the boss icon. I'm going to click on the boss icon, and this is the boss. I'm going to switch that up, and this is the main source. Then I'm going to turn the master channel up. As you can see, I'm going to right click and split by channel in my playlist. I'm just going to drag in my kick. I'm going to bring in my hi-hats. I'm going to bring in my snare. Then I'll start arranging my beat to create space and intro and outro. Easy. Then I'm going to Control B to copy it to make it longer. As you can see, my Roshan trap beat sounding very good. Now I'm arranging my Roshan trap beat now in my playlist. Now I'm going to create my outro. And this is here. I'm going to remove the hi-hat here. I'm going to remove the snare here. The next step, I'm going to add an automation to both of the melodies. I'm going to right click, create automation. I'm going to right click and create an automation. As you can see, I'm going to spice my beat now. I'm arranging my beats. Good. Now I finished making my Roshan trap beat. Let's listen to my full Roshan trap beat now. But before the beat gets finished and start playing back, I'll continue spicing it up. Now I'm going to swap left and right. I'm going to swap left and right. Then I'm going to reverse the polarities to make it sound better and good. I'm still on my Roshan trap beat. Now it's getting to the outro. After the outro, we are going to listen to the full trap beat from the start to the end. And this is the outro of my Roshan trap beat. And this is the start. Let's listen to the full Roshan trap beat now. As you can see, it's sounding very good. Tell me how you're feeling the beat in the comment section below. So G-Beto G, the beat maker, the hit maker. And here I've removed everything. I've removed the kick, I've removed the hi-hat and the snare. Now it's going to start back with the kick, the hi-hat and the snare. Now it's getting to the outro now. And this is the outro of my Roshan trap beat. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Tell me how you are feeling. The beat in the comment section below. See you next time.